Hey guys, do you know what is water treatment process? Well, I guess the answer is no, right? What's happening now? Like out this video.
Sewage treatment. Sewage treatment is the process of removing contaminants from wastewater, including household sewage and runoffs. It includes physical, chemical, and biological processes to remove physical, chemical, and biological contaminants. Its objective is to produce an environmentally safe fluid waste stream and a solid waste screening. The effluent in sewage water passes through a bar screen to remove all large objects like cans, sticks, plastic, woods, crocodiles, fishes, and many more that carried in the sewage stream. The solids are collected and later disposed. Bar screen may be used to optimize solids removal.
Grit removal. The settlement of sand, grit, stones, and broken glasses are removed because they may damage pumps and other equipment.
Sedimentation tank. The water flows to a tank called a sedimentation tank, where gravity causes the flux to settle to the bottom. Large particles settle more rapidly than small particles. It would take a very long time for all the particles to settle out, and that would mean we would need a very large sedimentation tank.
Membrane bioreactor, or MBR, is an efficient and cost-effective product for treating municipal and industrial wastewater. The first step of the treatment process is the mechanical screening of the incoming wastewater. The wastewater enters a screen that is equipped with a 2 to 3 millimeter perforated plate. The solid particles or screenings are retained and continuously removed from the screen unit for disposal. The screened wastewater flows into the anoxic tank. Within the anoxic tank, a submersible mixer blends the screened wastewater with the mixed liquor, returning from the membrane filtration tanks at predetermined recycle rates to achieve the desired level of denitrification. In the absence of dissolved oxygen, nitrate is converted to nitrogen gas in the tank. The wastewater flows from the anoxic tank to the aeration tank. Oxygen is supplied using air blowers and a diffused aeration system. A dissolved oxygen sensor monitors the selected range to help the operator maintain nitrification in the removal of organic material. In this oxygen-rich environment, organic material and ammonia nitrogen are biologically oxidized to carbon dioxide, nitrate, and water. A pH sensor is provided in the aeration tank for continuous monitoring of the pH condition. From the aerobic tank, mixed liquor is pumped to the membrane filtration tank for liquid-solid separation. Puron membrane modules are fully submerged in the mixed liquor inside the membrane tank for direct outside to inside filtration. The membrane modules are made up of hollow fibers with a nominal pore size of 0.05 micron. These robust, reinforced second-generation hollow fibers are cast on an internal reinforcing braid to overcome the fiber breakage problems typical of first-generation systems. The free-floating tips of the hollow fibers in the single header design of the Puron module also reduce breakage by placing less mechanical stress on the fibers than in modules that use a double header design. The membrane system is equipped with rotary lobe pumps that create suction inside the hollow fibers and draw water through the fiber wall to the permeate collection tank. The rotary lobe pumps periodically reverse the flow at predetermined frequencies and durations to backflush the membrane fibers. Pneumatic valves, as well as pressure and flow measuring instruments, provide continuous monitoring and control of system operation. When cleaning is required to restore the desired flux, a train of membrane modules is isolated from normal operation, and sodium hypochlorite and citric acid are sequentially injected into the membrane modules for in situ chemical cleaning. Excess biomass or sludge generated from the biological treatment process will be wasted on a periodic basis. To maintain the desired solids concentration within the system, sludge is withdrawn from the bioreactor tanks or membrane tank for proper off-site disposal by licensed haulers. Permeate generated from the membrane filtration process is transferred to a permeate collection tank. The high-quality permeate will meet strict
Secondary sedimentation process will be placed at the last stage of sewage treatment process. The function of the secondary sedimentation process is most likely the same as the primary sedimentation process.
So guys, showing good moral values is one of our tasks as a human being to do. In this case, we should thankful, alhamdulillah, subhanallah, to those who help us to keep our water clean. Besides, don't underestimate those who works under sewage treatment company. Without them, we will be drinking contaminated water right now. Want to drink this? No, right? Make sure you drink clean water. But for me, I will drink nail. Don't be jealous. Bye.
Hello guys, do you know what is sewage treatment process?
No. Serious, Deep?
We are gonna dance into the sea. All I want is you, you're my shade.